Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the first lesson of your science subject. The name of the lesson is Growing Up. Okay, let us start reading the first activity. There is a small activity here. Time to warm up. Recite this poem. Here, one poem they have given. We should recite this. Okay, I'll be reading each line of this poem. After each line you should repeat. Okay, let us start. When I was one, I was so small. Repeat. When I was one, I was so small. Next line. I could not speak a word at all. Repeat. I could not speak a word at all. When I was two, I learned to talk. Repeat. When I was two, I learned to talk. I learned to sing. I learned to walk. Repeat. I learned to sing. I learned to walk. When I was three, I grew and grew. Repeat. When I was three, I grew and grew. When I was four, I grew more. Repeat. When I was four, I grew more. Okay, the full poem we will read together now. Let us start. Okay. When I was one, I was so small. I could not speak a word at all. When I was two, I learned to talk. I learned to sing. I learned to walk. When I was three, I grew and grew. When I was four, I grew more. Okay, the poem is finished. Let us start with the lesson. Time to know. Read what I am follow what I am reading. Okay, read along with me. All living things grow. You are growing up all the time. As you grow, you become taller. You also become heavier. What are living things? We humans, birds, plants, animals, all of these things are called as living things. Why we are called living things? Because we show life activities such as growth and respiration. Okay, what is growth? Growth is nothing but increasing in height and weight. Okay, now as you grow you will become taller. Taller means what? Taller in Kannada is ಉದ್ದ ಬೆಳೆಯುವುದು. As you grow you also become heavier. Heavier means ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗುವುದು. Okay, so what is the spelling of taller? T-A-L-L-E-R. Repeat. T-A-L-L-E-R. Taller. Spelling of heavier? H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Heavier. Repeat. H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Heavier. See, in this book they have given two boxes. In the first box you should paste the picture of your baby photo you should paste. Okay, in the second box you should paste your current photo. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಗುವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇರುವ ಫೋಟೋನ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗಿರೋ ಫೋಟೋನ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, next page. Come to next page. As you grow, your nails and ears also grow. That is why you have to cut them. Some people grow their hairs long. Do you? See, as you grow up, no, your ears and nails will also grow. What is nails? Nails means in Kannada we call nails as what? Ugurugalu. Okay. Hairs means Kudalu. Okay. As you grow, no, your nails and hairs will also grow. You should cut them regularly. When you come to school, if you don't cut your nails and your hairs, PT sir will scold, no. Why he will scold? Because cutting nails and hairs is a good habit. If you grow your nails and hairs, it is a bad habit. Okay. So cutting nails and hairs are very important. Okay. Now let us come to the next para. A baby grows and becomes a child. A child grows and becomes a teenager. A teenager grows and becomes an adult. An adult grows and becomes an old. Our body changes as we grow old. You grow up the day you have your first real laugh at yourself. See, when you are just born, you are called as a baby. After few years, you will grow and become a child. Now you are in second standard, no? You are called as a child. Okay. Now, what is the spelling of baby? B-A-B-Y. Repeat. B-A-B-Y. Repeat one more time. B-A-B-Y. Baby. What is the spelling of child? C-H-I-L-D. Child. Repeat. C-H-I-L-D. Child. Now you are all child. When you grow up, what you will become? You will become a teenager. Okay. What is the spelling of teenager? T-E-E-N-A-G-E-R. Repeat. T-E-E-N-A-G-E-R. Teenager. Repeat one more time. T-E-E-N-A-G-E-R. Teenager. Okay. A teenager will grow up and become an adult. After becoming a teenager, you will grow up and become an adult. What is the spelling of adult? A-D-U-L-T. Adult. Okay. Adult means what? You will become like your parents. Very strong. Okay. Boys will grow up and become like your daddy. Girls will grow up and become like your mother. Okay. After adults will grow up and become old. After some times, your mother and father will grow old, and now they will become like what? Like your grandparents. They will become old. Okay. This is the life cycle. Okay. Now what is the spelling of old? O-L-D. Old. Repeat. O-L-D. Old. Okay. Come to next line. I can cycle. You learn new things as you grow. I can cycle. I can read. I can skip. I can eat. See, when you are a small baby, your mother would feed you, correct? No? She would say, see there, moon is there. See there, stars are there, you should eat, or else devil will come. All these things she was telling, no, to you. And then she would feed you. But now, you will only eat on your own. Correct? No? You are eating on your own, or ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ನೀವೇ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನೇ ನಿಮಗಿನ್ನ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಬೇಬಿ you are not able to read the books, no, but now you are able to read, correct, no? Some of you even have cycle, correct, no? You will ride the cycle also. So as you grow you will be learning new things, correct, no? Now what is the spelling of cycle? cycle, cycle. Repeat, cycle, cycle. Repeat one more time, cycle, cycle. Okay, what is the spelling of read? read, read. Repeat, read, read. Skip, what is the spelling of skip? skip, skip. Repeat one more time, skip, skip. Eat, what is the spelling of eat? eat, eat. Repeat one more time, eat, eat. Okay, okay. See the next page. Come to the next page. Plants also grow up. Plants are everywhere around us. Like us, plants also grow up. But how do plants grow? What makes plants grow? There are many things plants need to grow, such as water, nutrients, air, sunlight, temperature, space, and time. Plants grow from seeds. See, plants are also living organisms. We human beings are also living organisms. We will grow, no? Similarly, plants will also grow. See in the picture, it is clearly given here. The first picture is the picture of a seed. The seed will grow and become a plant. Okay, this plant will grow and become a tree. What is the spelling of a seed? seed, seed. Repeat, seed, seed. What is the spelling of a plant? plant, plant. Repeat, plant, plant. What is the spelling of tree? tree, tree. Repeat, tree, tree. Okay, okay. For growth, plant requires some materials or some things it requires. Okay, what all it requires? It requires water. What is water? In Kannada it is called as Neeru. Okay, water is called Neeru. You will drink, no? In your water bottle you will bring, no? What will you bring in your water bottle? Neeru, that is water. Okay, nutrients. Nutrients means what? All those fertilizers will put to plant, no? These are called as nutrients. Next is air. Air means what? We will breathe in, no? We will take in air, correct, no? We will breathe, correct, no? That is air. Air is around us. It is transparent. Okay, what is the spelling of nutrients? nutrients, nutrients. Repeat, nutrients, nutrients. Okay, next one is air. air, air. Repeat, air, air. The plants also require Light to grow. Light means what? Yes, sunlight. Okay, light is also important. In Kannada, light is called as Belaku. Okay, what is the spelling of light? L-I-G-H-T, light. What is the spelling of light? L-I-G-H-T, light. Okay, next is what? Temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E, temperature. Repeat. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R, temperature. Temperature means what? Degree of hotness or coldness. Okay, that and all you will learn in your higher classes. Okay, space. Space means if you have to plant a seed, you should have some place, no? Some people will plant the seed in pot. Pot also is called as a space. Okay, some will plant the seed in open field. That is also a space. So, space is required for the plants to grow. Spelling of space, S-P-A-C-E, space. S-P-A-C-E, space. Last one what plant requires is time. T-I-M-E, time. T-I-M-E, time. Okay. After one day only, the seed will not become plant. It will take some days, like it may take some months also. Okay. Or some years also it may take to grow into a big tree. Okay. Immediately it will not grow. It requires time. For us to become from a baby to a child, we need time, no? Similarly, the plants also requires time to become a tree. Okay. Okay. Growth in animals. Have you seen a baby animal grow into an adult? How did it change? All animals change, just like human beings. Think about difference puppy looks from a dog. Not only animals grow, but they change too. Think about how different a puppy acts than a grown-up dog. See, in your locality around your home and all, you can see dogs, no? Dogs means what? Nai. So the babies of dogs are called as puppy. Okay, P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Okay, babies of dogs are called what? Puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. See, dog is an animal. Same like human beings, dog will also grow. From puppy to adult dog, it will grow. Okay, the puppy will grow and become a adult dog. When puppy barks means what? Boguluvudu. When puppy barks, its voice will be soft. But when a adult dog barks, how it will be? It will be scary, correct? No? Similarly, the height of the puppy will be very small, but the height of the adult dogs will be very big, correct? No? This is how a puppy will grow into a dog. Okay, these are the major differences between a puppy and dog. Its voice will change, its height will change, and it will get stronger teeth. Okay, these are all the changes. As we grow, our body parts also will grow. Okay. Next is non-living things. Non-living things do not grow and change their shape. They do not move, breathe, or reproduce. Examples of non-living things are round table, television. See, everyone in your home, you have TV, no? Television. TV is called nothing but as television. Television spelling is Television. Television. Okay. Repeat. Television. Television. Okay. TV, will it grow? Will the size of the TV increase after 1 year? No. If you keep the TV for 10 years also, it will not grow. Will the TV breathe? Does it take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide? No. TV will give birth to new ones? No. One TV will not produce another TV? No. Correct? No. So, TV will not reproduce. Since TV cannot do all these things, TV cannot also move from one place to another. If you keep it on the table, it will be there only unless and until you will lift it and keep it to another place. Correct? No? So, TV cannot move, TV cannot breathe, TV cannot reproduce. Okay, so TV is called as non-living things. Things which cannot move, breathe and reproduce are called as non-living things. Now can you tell me other examples of non-living things? Yes, table, chair, your classroom bench, door, window, chalk piece, books, pencil, all of these are non-living things. Examples of living things? Living things are human beings, dog, bird, plants. All of these are living things. Okay. This is all for today. Have a nice day, students. Bye.